Porsche has sold its 3 Toy Story cars, unveiled earlier this month. The trio is going to a single anonymous buyer who has pledged to donate $3.0 million to 3 different charities. The 3 charities are Big Brothers Big Sisters of America, the American Red Cross, and Starlight Children's Foundation, and each will receive $1 million. The cars are going to a Porsche collector and philanthropist who said, "When we first learned about the project, the incredible cars and the work these charities do for children and families, we knew it was a natural fit." The 3 Porsches come from the automaker's Sonderwunsch, Special Wishes, department, where the team spent 350 hours hand-painting each vehicle. A 911 GT3 with the Weissach package features a Buzz Lightyear-inspired livery in white, green, and purple, with the cabin receiving purple and green accents. The second car is a 911 Targa 4 GTS that is inspired by Jesse. It is more subtle on the outside than the GT3, with blue rocker panels and yellow accents, but inside it's stunning. The Targa has dark night blue leather throughout much of the cabin, with red accents and cow-inspired floor mats. Woody is a 911 Carrera T that has a denim-like finish. The Sonderwunsch team pressed real denim into the wet paint to give the car a unique appearance. Inside, the seats feature more Woody-inspired touches, like a checkered pattern and brown leather.